Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install apps from unknown sources on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you try to install an app from an unknown source, like your web browser, it will show you this error. Now, to install apps from unknown sources, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. And from here, first of all, just disable Auto Blocker. Then select Turn Off. After you disable Auto Blocker, then tap on More Security Settings. And from here, you will find the option of Install Unknown Apps. Just tap on it. And from here, just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install an APK or an app. Now, in our case, we are trying to install an app from Google Chrome, so I will enable the toggle for Google Chrome. But if you are downloading from any other app, just enable the toggle for the app from which you are installing an app. Now, if I go back to Google Chrome and if I try to install this app, as you can see, the error has disappeared and the option of install has appeared on the screen. And this is how you can install apps from unknown sources on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.